All right, so this is a travel trip, travel story, I guess. This is Iceland. So it's like 2 years ago now, I think. I wanted to go to Iceland. I had kind of a week open the end of August. My wife, she prefers that I don't travel internationally by myself, and so Iceland's a little bit different. It's very safe, but so my buddy Mark, he was able to go. So I think I decided I was going to go like on a Tuesday. I think I went and bought my tickets. Then Mark, I think found out he could go. So he gonna go like bought tickets on Thursday. And then we left, I think, early the next week. And so my friend Randy Arnold, he found out I was going. Then he wanted to go. And then our buddy Brett, he found out we were going. And then he wanted to go. So within a matter of like 4 or 5 days, we bought the tickets and left. So it's pretty cool, random trip, kind of guys trip. My objective there was just to go travel. Mark wanted to shoot a lot, and all of us are junkies anyway. So they created this amazing film for me of Iceland. I had not documented anything with me using the phase one. So that was kind of a great little spin to it, which then phase one picked it up. And I'm working with them on being a rep and a regional ambassador. But that video is on the website currently. Very well edited and produced, and the whole team on it went really well. So but we were there for a week. We didn't really have any plans or itinerary at all. I did not check out anything before we left. We had a big Sprinter van that we had originally planned on like camping in, but it was too small. So we pretty much traveled the southeast coast of Iceland. So we were able to go on the F roads, which are like higher elevation, a little more dangerous, like gravel, unpaved roads. And it's very cool, like very moonscape, if I imagine what the moon would be like, but kind of a mix of every state and country. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Tons of traveling. I forget how many, we did the math on how many miles that we did. A highlight for me was on Diamond Beach. We just happened to get lucky with low tide and that sunset and these massive glacier chunks that had floated out to sea, and they wash up onto the beach. So these things are anywhere from like 8 to 15 feet high, and the beach is absolutely black, like black sand beach. So, and just seeing some of the glaciers just kind of floating around. I got some cool photos of those as well. But man, Iceland is just a place that I definitely plan on going back and seeing a lot more the landscape. It's just always constant weather changing there, which is really pretty challenging as a photographer, but also the joy part about it, you can be in the same location and it'd be totally different because of the weather. People were nice, everything shut down earlier, and it's expensive. Man, it's expensive as far as food goes. One of the best things about it, the highlight, is I don't think I had a bad espresso because you didn't have baristas. You had a very high-end machine, and we had eaten or drank tons of espressos that we didn't have a bad one. So I didn't really spend a lot of time in Reykjavik, but I think that's how you say it. Next time I go up there, I want to go to the fjords, which are in the northwest part, which I did that in New Zealand. And that was an unbelievable part of that trip. And so hopefully when we go back, I try to go see the Northern Lights, but to travel to Iceland in the winter is really tricky to do. And a lot of travel time. It's easier just to go to Europe and then go over. But yeah, definitely want to go there and do the Northern Lights, Iceland or Greenland area. So more to come to Iceland. Hopefully we'll have another video coming up or another trip set up. But we've been debating on doing that. The same group of guys I was with doing that or doing Patagonia. And so we'll see how that plays out.